In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Microsoft Loop components. By the end, you'll know exactly where to start a Loop component, how to pick the right type, and how to collaborate and share it across Microsoft 365 without losing context. First, a quick foundation. Loop components are live, portable pieces of content, like tables, lists, or paragraphs, that you can insert in Microsoft Teams, Outlook, or the Loop app. Wherever you paste them, they stay in sync, so everyone always sees the latest version. This is perfect for decisions, status updates, and quick planning without juggling multiple files. Let's begin inside Microsoft Teams. Open a chat or a channel and go to the message box where you'd normally type. Click the Loop Components icon to insert a live component directly into your message. This is great when you need real-time input during a conversation. You can type your prompt first to set context, then add the component so people know what they're contributing to. You can do the same from Outlook. While composing an email or setting up a calendar event, look for Loop components under the Message or Insert menu. This lets you gather updates right in the email thread or meeting invite. Recipients can add input inline, and the component stays up to date for everyone who has access. You can also work from the Loop app. Open a Loop page, and if you already have content, like a table or a list, highlight it. Click the six-dot handle next to it and choose Create Loop Component. This turns your existing content into a portable, shared component you can reuse anywhere. It's a quick way to elevate a draft into a collaborative artifact without starting over. Next, choose the component type that fits your goal. Use a table for structured data, a checklist for action items, a voting table for decisions, or a paragraph if you just need a shared note. Picking the right format makes it immediately clear how others should contribute. Now add content and collaborate. Start with clear labels, short entries, and any deadlines or owners if relevant. As teammates jump in, you'll see updates in real time. Keep edits concise and use comments or at mentions to direct attention so your component stays readable and useful. Finally, share across other apps. Copy the component link and paste it into Teams, Outlook, or another page. It's still the same single source of truth, so changes sync everywhere. For smoother collaboration, give the component a clear title and make sure the right people have access. Keep components focused and lightweight, and archive or consolidate older ones to reduce noise. That's it. You're ready to build, collaborate, and share with Microsoft Loop components.